Take number 1387.5. Let's see if this sucker will start. We just adjusted the timing and gapped the plugs and did the wires and set it on top dead center. Let's see. Nice. Wow. Running good. Hear what she sounds like out back. Rev it up, Reggie. Nice. Wow. Almost time for a test drive. What are we running on our gauges? Let's see. Holley Sniper's working good. Perfect AFR. A little bit of fine tuning. Button up the wiring and the Dakota Digital. We'll be ready to go for a test drive. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see a video of the test drive. I'll have to polish her up, get her ready for the dance. Wow, what a view. This car's nice. Ferrari red and white stripes. 65 GT Mustang with a Roller 302, Holley Sniper, Holley Hyperspark, and the new TKX transmission from American Powertrain Solutions. Got the whole swap.
Got the air conditioning on.
Air conditioning's working. Nice. That's blowing cold. Made my hair stand up on my arm. Almost done with the swap. Oh yeah, running 170 degrees too. Mustang, baby.